Hi everybody, so let's proceed. So this is session number 4. Let's have some notations on micro and Q. So today I will just use this going along here. So risk is 10,000 and I want to see it go over. So 1117. Let's put as a reminder here the initial balance 1117. Okay, so this is the current balance, and let's do some scalping this morning. So we have seen this at Frankfurt Open, then London, create the low of the day, and is pushing now higher. A bit extended, there's a no wick on this candle, so I think there is a clear upside manipulation just to go for the stops and then resume lower. There's no wick there, so let's buy. So my stop is below this order block on a 30 seconds. See how this is just all manipulation, like a straight line almost. So let's exit here. Want to have it so this is 10 A minis. We are in micros, so it's 56 A minis. Need more. 1 to 10,000. Just want to squeeze this up to this level and be gone. Now we have 10,000. Let's see if this stop holds. There's this order block. So yeah, buy again. That's the terminus there. So need to catch up. Seems to be shifting. Let's remove these ones. And so 4 o'clock for 20, 4.5. So phantom trend line there. I'll buy this drop. Want to see it come here. So now risk is 13,000 and upside is 20. So the XY is pushing higher. but I believe it will just roll over, enter the buy. So at least up to here, enter a new buy, reducing risk to this candle, touch that order block, improving my entry position, selling something there to be able to buy more. Okay, so putting this at break even. That's too much there. Exit. There's a fair value gap here, so yeah, it's not going good. So we are a little drawdown, so 7,000 in drawdown. See if it wants to push higher. Yeah. So 3 minutes chart. This is clearly not a shift in market structure because the candle on the 3 minute is still closing above, so did not close below this week. So let's keep on buying. There's 31k above. Reducing stop risk. Cashing in. So we are 14,000, 16,000 PNL. Let's bag something because there's a risk of this being an OT to go lower. So it's already surpassed, so let's just try to ride this a little bit higher. So now we are at break even. Equity is topping up my equity. Reducing the risk to break even. There's order block, mean threshold, so good for a buy. Let's see if we can buy below. There's a volume imbalance there, so I want to buy inside that. And we surpassed the 79% on this swing, which shows some bullishness. I want to buy also here, and my stop goes there. So we have not much in risk now, 4k, so heading for the buy. So we're reaching 62% level, so this is the middle of the swing and an opportunity for another buy at the 50% level. Let's see if we can reach the consequent encouragement of this week on the 15-second chart, and then move us higher. See if we get this entry. So risk is 10k, and I want to exit something there. Let's do differently. Let's push it. Buy there. There's a no wick, so should be buying there. There's consequent encroachment of this middle threshold there, so we can buy until this level. So it already came down on this candle to grab it. See, there's double. So sell side liquidity here, fair value gap, including this volume imbalance. There. It's turning it into blue. This is a BC on a... Sorry, it's not doing it. There. It's not a 1 minute, it's rather 15 seconds. Buy side imbalance. Okay. Now we are, let's reduce something. So equity is 18, so more or less as we started. So there's that snow weak candle. Okay, so it's not coming below these levels, it seems. And we want to catch it up until here. Reduce the risk. So now risk is minimal, so 1221, so we are positive. So back to original balance. So the good thing with this trade now is that we are at break even. Initial day balance, we recovered it by coming lower, so anything that we get from here now on is upside. So let's try to push it all the way. Let's remove this. And basically talking about NQ, either ES, sorry, this is NQ, I need to put ES here. Okay, so ES took the buy side, it's there, while NQ is still struggling to reach it. So either is a SMT divergence, but I would say that they would like to create SMT divergence higher. So it's coming back. Let's buy again. Possibly a good entry down below here. So let's put this. This is 300 micros, so 30 lots basically. Okay, it's pushing higher now. It came down below, tagged me out, and now it's just going for the buy side. So 4K, let's drop this to, so 1,000 in profit. Let's do one thing. So I have not enough risk, so I need to 10K there. Okay, so risking 10K now. This has been overcome, so this is done. So can still afford to buy something at this level, which is on a 10 minute is the consequent encouragement of this. But let's say, okay, let's push it. Now it's when it becomes interesting. I will just put it at below this candle, so this is creating a fair value gap for now. Closed. It did not close yet, so it's still moving higher, so can retrace. So let's see. 25 seconds to close this candle. So what I will do is remove something in case it tags me out. 60 and enter a new buy below if you want to come back to this order block or just want to snap. So 444, so 45 is going for the liquidity grab, so let's push it up to this level there, where I believe this becomes an order block. There, it's an order block, and I just want it 20k above. Risk is now lowered to 1000, so low, very low risk. We are above the balance, so let's put it at break even. Now exactly one tick below this order block, dropping to 15-second chart, so pushing higher. Now we talk about it. There, still at break even. Put some more steam on it. Let's see the buy side taken. And there's also another buy side there, so let's put the exit at this candle rejection block a little bit before 10,000. So 120,000, so let's do like this. I'm risking on this trade until it arrives at destination. So let's do like this. Part comes out here, which was the original objective, and the rest is set break even. So either way, we'll get something. Meanwhile, just put something in the bag. 50. In case wants to retrace, at least I want to have it 20 there. Okay, 120. So we are 3,000 positive for the day, with 120 lots, E-minis and 1,200 micros. So this is the target, 30,000 there. And you see one thing, still have much side to the upside, so we could even reach this this is a liquidity void on a 15-second, so I would say this could be 143,000 could be one objective if this goes through. DXY is dumping, and euro and cable going higher, so they're going for the liquidity. So we might see this drop to grab this liquidity there, so I'll just create the risk below 10k there. I'm putting some more in balance to be able to afford to buy below. So 128, already pushing higher, so let's go with it. Stop at break even. There's a no wick there, I don't like it. It will tag me. Let me see. Let's buy below here again. Buy. If it tags this, let's buy below this candle. See one thing. 5-second chart. So swing came down. This is OTE. but there's a no wick on this candle, so this came, ignored, and now moving higher. So let's bag something, remove this. So we are now 27, so 10,000 above initial trade. And let's see if it does not tag me on this exact price. So which is middle consequent encroachment of this week there for a buy. So let's put it below. So I might want to come for this one and reach, let's try to buy again there, and hope that does not move all the way up to this level, which is the break, which is this break there. So still pushing higher. So the XY is moving towards this new week opening gap there. While this is occurring, you might see things moving higher as ES is also moving higher. This is also, and let's see, I want to, so 8,135. We are poised for this to go higher now. So let's remove this, put this at break even again. It's respecting this bullish order flow, so let's see. If it takes me out, and not without me just putting something in the bag first there. So I want to have 30k there in balance. Okay, so minimal risk at break even. I'm suspecting this wants just to come to this level here or even lower. So sorry, I need to put more. So there, buying here at these levels with the stop below this candle. There's a 30-second BC there. It was not tagged still. So let's put it better than break even. Oh, it's irrelevant. 300. Okay, so let's buy above this level on the break before going higher. It's not coming down. Yeah, so it just broke that level. So there, back to break even, 5k. So that's amount that we bought on a stop goes out at this level before one tick, and want to see the rest moving higher. 60k now. So there's a volume imbalance. There's a liquidity void, which is not. Let's see one thing. So market opened. Friday. Okay, Friday. It's now reaching it. Let's put the minute. minute portion 130, so we are 17k positive, 5k there, and that's the highest wick, so we can have squeeze it more. We are at break even. Let's abort these buys. Did not happen. What I want to do is put my stop there and keep buying until break even is achieved. Wanted to overcome that. Okay, so we did it. Still at break even. Okay, now break even. 50 e-minis and 500 micros. So 147k in profit still. 50k above. And now buy side liquidity. It's there. Might want to come up to this fair value gap on a 15-minute. So 140. Let's keep on buying this. Risk a little bit. 133. Yeah, just let it ride. These are the days for the challenge. These are the ones. These are the good ones. So let's buy more as we go higher. There, instead of buying low. I would like to buy in strength because pushes me away from my break-even point. So there's a minor buy side liquidity there. Okay, it's coming back. Let's buy a very small portion. There. Still at break even, 7k. There. Nice push. There's a volume imbalance that shows some bullishness here. Might want to tag that, but it's just going higher. Let's remove this because I bought already. Keep buying. And there, break even, 10,000 in P&L. Unrealized profit, so this comes out there. There, the rest comes out here. So this is a low resistant liquidity run. So we have, what's this? Yeah, this is the volume imbalance. I mean, liquidity void. Might want to come to grab this. So let's sell a little bit. Put something in the bag. Put my stop there. Allow for a buy below. There. And also here. If it comes, I'm prepared to take it. Stop goes below this coiling. there's possibly OTE after surpassing that buy side liquidity up to these levels. So let's see, remove something, buy when it comes up below. There's another volume imbalance, almost liquidity void. That's a real liquidity void. So let's just drop. It's coming lower for it. Yeah, it's too strong, so yeah, it's just pushing higher now. Let's buy until putting this at break even there. So wants to come back to these ones. There's a buy there, but this is clearly an ES is the same, so it's pushing higher. So 41. Now I'll do some more heavy buying. When the red comes out at this level. So we are at break even. Opportunity to buy. Opportunity to buy on this fair value gap. Let's try to buy more. It's not coming to it. Just keep on pushing higher. So running, trade. Anyway, 41. Let's remove this, don't need it anymore. So this is the panorama. 36,000 above. Let's do something really crazy, which is buying some more. And if this wants to push higher, this goes below this propulsion block. So propulsion block should not go below. It wants to tag that buy side. So if it wants really to tag that buy side, it should not go below this propulsion block. Okay, so now we'll be selling something. I want to see a 40 there. 40. So this is an order block, another one. So we can say that this is control and encroachment. There's that buy side. Then we have the one there. There, 17,546. Okay. We are at break even. But this is a propulsion block. So let's see. See if it wants to tag this propulsion block up to this level. So 152. There. Risking 500. 400 actually. And want to buy below. Want it to come below this propulsion candle. Fill some of this fair value gap. And stop goes below this level. See if this is turning. No, there's no clear fair value gap for the downside unless this produces it. The XY keeps on moving lower aggressively. So this is ready for some kind of buy. So let's reduce the risk. Make it break even. And ES is doing what? Came for the retracement. So I want to buy. So this is an institutional order flow entry drill. See, so we got tagged out of the trade. There's this, cannot forget, there's this, come all the way to there. This is a liquidity void on a 15 seconds, 5 second. There's a liquidity void there. Okay, buying all of this. Okay, selling. And might come back. It did not. Okay, was just a buying opportunity. Created this volume imbalance that we might take advantage of. Oh, that's right. Let's risk 10k now. Stop goes below this level. So 38, we are positive still for the day. See if it does not turn into negative. Buying inside this fair value gap, so this is, seems to be turning. So there's a shift. It's rejecting the XY. We see if it takes this low and wants to reach this. Yeah. Risking 15,000. So now we are on the left side of the curve with 100 lots. 1000 risk. Yeah, it's coming for that. This is to reshape this. So 62% level, it's there. So let's buy there. In here. It might come for this. There's this this is a liquidity void. This is a liquidity void. So it might want to snap aggressively. Yeah, it did not tag me in. Mind. There, we'll have a second chance. Okay. Buying some more. Buying. So account balance 38. Let's risk the 38,000. 79% level. Risking 50k on this trade. So back to equity beginnings. Yeah, it's really turning. I'd like to see a snapback up to these levels. So 79%. came to this coiling. So I'm still buying. This is what I want to see. Take this highs there by side liquidity on the short term, and exit parts there. We are below water now. But this is OT, so 79%, 62%. We can buy here if we believe this is going higher, which might do, and snap back aggressively, and we'll be selling in profit. This might be in case this is a breaker. Let me see, draft it as a breaker. So breaker, potential bearish breaker. 21 negative, so basically at initial equity, but we are 240 lots. Let's buy some more. It's too much risk. Risking almost 10%. and got the number wrong. So let's drop it there. Reduce the risk on this trade in case he wants to come against me. I need to abort this trade due to this error. Leverage too much. So still trusting the bias. There's a potential breaker there. Before reaching, it will take this there, my entry level mitigation block. Okay, so we are 4,800. Yeah, I want to exit there. That would be if this is turning short. Okay, so we remove the risk, turn it into positive. Now let's do like this. 200 goes out. Put this at break even, more or less, and see if this has the strength to move higher. So now risk is minimal, and want to see this coming back and take these eyes there. Okay, so this becomes an inversion fair value gap. Instead of a breaker. This is a reclaimed. This is a CB. Sorry, BC. And we are break even. 140. Let's reduce something. And let's do the run up to this level. So see one thing. So there's an O-wick on this there, so 79% resisting. This is a clear OD for the downside, so shifting market structure. If it does not overcome this, we turn to bearish. Unlikely, well, if the XY starts to reverse right now. So let's remove some of the risk and call it a day if it tags my stop loss. All an opportunity to buy. Stop is at break even. I'm not interested to go short on this market, so if it wants to just go lower. Okay, so clearly showing signs of moving higher. Now let's put it at consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. The stop goes there. Came for it, retraced, closed above 79% level and above this week, so poised to move higher. So there's another 16k waiting above, which is this fair value gap, and there's a clear magnet pointing towards this volume, liquidity void. We could buy above this level on the break. Well, instead buying on the break, why don't we buy above? Oh, this is what I was wanted to do, buy above this candle. Okay, so now I can buy. This is at break even again. So 7k. Now I think it's going to do this. What's happening? So let's put the targets. So I want to drop it there. Okay, but I'm satisfied now. That selling this level. Stop goes there, so we are better than break even now. Might want to touch this level here. Almost did. So let's put 1 week below and buy until we are break even. There's a fair value gap there, so let's see if it wants to come back to this one or just resume on higher. There. So actually it was a little bit too much, but now I can't do much about it, so let's risk 1000 and sell more above this level. Okay, might want to create an institutional order flow entry drill there. So let's just put this at break even, just in case. So 143. Let's improve a little bit the balance. Not liking it. It's coming. It's coming to it. Shows signs on wanting to tag this. Or just put it at below this fair value gap. and allow for it to tag this control and encroachment of this fair value gap up to this level. What we have here, we have a breaker, but this is the break there. So well, it's really extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. So exiting. And wants to take this once. There's one fib level there, which 20k for the exit, full exit on the trade. Should come a little bit, allowing me to put my stop there and buy some more. Okay, risking 5k, which is the realized balance, and we'll finish if it tags me out for 144.45. Let's do it 45. 145 for the day. Just make it below the candle. There. No, it's okay. It will be tagging me, so let's just, seems to want to tag. There's an order block, so this is constant encroachment. So my stop is exactly 541, which is the middle. So let's reduce some risk, avoiding a snapback. 145, 46. Did not come for it. So this liquidity run could double. This could double. So let me just see one thing. Move this level, this one, and do the calculations based on this. So there we have 50% up there. It's hesitant. It will tag this constant encroachment. So okay, enough. So this is enough. Let's remove the orders, calculate minutes. So what was the initial box? Where's the box? Might have erased it. Or was it in NQ? No. Where was the box? Anyway, we had 177, sorry, 117. Okay. Now is 1145. Okay. So it was a nice trading day. 0.45, so it's 28. Okay. How exhausting this is that I need a calculator to make this calculation. So minutes into trade. Let's see. Trading, executions. What? Ah, why it does not show in this one? This is actual contract. It was traded here in this one. Okay, so micro NQ. So let's put now on the 1 minute candle. So we have 54 bars, which means we started here all the way up to there. So 51 minutes. Let's do the styling a little bit differently. The background is too noisy. Okay, now let's maximize this to see the run. So it's plateauing here, and might want still to tag that. So this was, sorry, it was 38 handle, 41 handle run from this level. So 4 o'clock, we reached 5 o'clock, so it might be choppy now and might even retrace lower. It's a good run. Keep in touch. So 41 minutes. Let's put it on the results. Where is it? Where is it? There. Sorry, 41 minutes. Oh, 51. Whoops. 51 minutes. And this is there. Positive. So equity is growing. So fourth session. So this is session 4. So winning streak of 4 days. Might need to reduce some leverage next time. Okay, done.